to start by giving the aluminum a light polish using Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. I also use this on the stainless steel portions of the exhaust as well. Next, I'm going to start going over it with a Dremel using a rough fiber wheel, and I'm going to work my way up to a finer fiber wheel. I'll provide a link down in the description where you can pick up these fiber wheels on Amazon pretty cheap. They definitely come in handy for a lot of different projects around the garage. All right, so when you're doing that, try to keep your movements linear because it will make inconsistent markings on here. As you'll see, I do have some inconsistent marks, but what we're going to do to take all that out, the next step is going to be, well, I'm going to tape this off and I'm just going to go over it with some Scotch-Brite in an even motion in the direction of the original brushings in the aluminum, and it'll take out all those inconsistencies.